Namaskar. India Meteorological Department welcomes you in weekly weather discussion. In this weekly weather discussion, first of all, we will see how was the weather during past 1 week. If we look into the synoptic systems during the past 1 week, then there was a cyclonic circulation over Tamil Nadu on 24th of November, which was a remnant of the low pressure area, which became less marked on 23rd of November over South Andhra Pradesh. And this cyclonic circulation moved westwards towards the southeast Arabian Sea. This cyclonic circulation did not give any significant rainfall over South Peninsular India, and again a circulation formed over north and adjoining South Andaman Sea on 25th of November, and it went up to southeast Bay of Bengal till 29th of November, and this one also did not give any significant weather. Then, if you look into the rainfall observed during past 1 week, then the cyclonic circulation over Tamil Nadu on 24th caused isolated heavy rainfall over Tamil Nadu, 10 centimeter rainfall, and then Tirutani 7 centimeter, and then Kanchipuram also 7 centimeter. After that, under the influence of this northeasterly winds over coastal Andhra Pradesh, isolated heavy rainfall occurred, and on 28th also isolated very heavy rainfall occurred over Kerala, uh, when 7 to 15 centimeter rainfall were recorded at different stations. On 29th of November, also at Kannimar station of Tamil Nadu, 12 centimeter rainfall was observed. On the same date of 29th November, isolated heavy rainfall was observed over Kerala, and over on 30th, isolated heavy rainfall was observed on over Tamil Nadu. If we look into weekly cumulative rainfall scenario, then over east and northeast India, over northwest India, over central India, and over south peninsula, the over all four regions, the rainfall was below normal by 98 to 96 to 100%. Rainfall was in negative side to the normal rainfall, and over south peninsula it was 29% below normal. As we can see here that against the 3.9, 3.3 and 2.2 mm normal rainfall of over east and northeast India, northwest India and central India respectively, only 0.1, 0 and 0.1 mm rainfall occurred. And over South Peninsula, normal rainfall is 14.2 mm for the week 24th to 30th of November, and rainfall occurred was 10.1 mm. If you look into the entire season from 1st October to 30th of November, then the rainfall was in positive departure over Northwest India, where against the normal rainfall of 33.7 mm, 79.5 mm rainfall occurred, and this rainfall was due to the active monsoonal rainfall during first week of October. So. This was entirely the rainfall scenario for the past week. And now if we come over to the forecast portion, then during the first week there is as we can see here, there is no significant rainfall activity possibility over the Indian mainland, although over Andaman and Nicobar Island, isolated heavy rainfall is likely over Nicobar Island on 4th of December, and over Andaman and Nicobar Island both on 5th of December, under the influence of the low pressure area, which is likely to be formed over Southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining South Andaman Sea on 5th of December. Although prior to that, cyclonic circulation is likely to emerge over South Andaman Sea, and under the influence of that, under the influence of that, isolated heavy rainfall is likely over Nicobar Islands, and 40 to 45 k. 40 to 45 kmph gusting to 65 kmph winds are likely over South Andaman Sea, adjoining North Andaman Sea, and adjoining Southeast Bay of Bengal. And on 5th of December, the wind speed is likely to increase to 45 to 55 kmph, gusting to 65 kmph over Southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining parts of East Central Bay of Bengal and Andaman Sea. During rest of the days and over rest of the region, as we can see here, there is no significant rainfall activity possibility, although isolated the dense fog conditions in isolated pockets is likely to continue over Himachal Pradesh and Punjab during next 3 days. And over Tamil Nadu, at one or two station, isolated heavy rainfall is also likely on 3rd of December. So rainfall as a whole is likely to remain below normal over the entire country except over Andaman and Nicobar Island, where rainfall is likely to be above normal. Now, due to this formation of low pressure area and its which is likely to concentrate into a depression by 7th of December, and it is which is likely to continue to move west northwestwards and reach near Tamil Nadu coast on 8th of December. There is a possibility of isolated heavy rainfall over Tamil Nadu and adjoining parts of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, and also over Kerala during the beginning of the second week. And due to this, the rainfall activity is likely to be below normal over these areas, over North Tamil Nadu, over Andhra Pradesh, South Coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema, and adjoining parts of Karnataka. And also above normal rainfall activity is likely over Gangetic West Bengal, southern parts of Gangetic West Bengal, and coastal Odisha as well. Over rest parts of the country, the rainfall activity is likely to be below normal. Also over Western Himalayan region, because there is no significant western disturbance is likely during the week 2. If we come over to minimum temperature scenario, then as we know that the minimum temperatures are running in the range of 7 to 10, 11 degrees centigrade over Punjab, Haryana, North Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and North MP during past 5 to 6 days, and these conditions are likely to continue during next 1 week, as there is no significant western disturbance approaching over the northwest India. So the minimum temperatures are likely to remain below normal by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade over entire northwest India, including western Himalayan region and Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. If we come over to and also under the influence of this, also since we are in the beginning of December only, so no significant cold wave conditions are likely. If we enter into week 2, that is from 9th to 15th of December, then the again in week 2, there is no possibility of any significant western disturbance, although a western disturbance is likely impacting over the western Himalayan region, and so there the minimum temperatures may become above normal, and also over adjoining Punjab and adjoining northern parts of Haryana as well, the minimum temperatures may become above normal. But over the rest parts of the country, unless there is some active western disturbance affecting the plains of northwest India, the below normal minimum temperatures would not rise. So that's all for today. And if you look into cyclogenesis scenario, then for week 1 we have discussed that a cyclonic circulation likely over South Andaman Sea on 4th, which is likely to become a low pressure area on 5th, and it is likely to further moving west north westwards, concentrate into a depression by 7th, and then it is likely to move west north westwards towards Tamil Nadu Puducherry coast, uh, 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 up to 8th of December. And in the week 2, there is also again there is a possibility of formation of a low pressure area over Southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining South Andaman Sea. So that's all for the weekly weather discussion. In the next week, we will again meet with weekly weather discussion. Thank you and goodbye.